Hey folks, and welcome to this premium analysis of Phantom versus the American dollar. Okay, here we are looking at the first 10 months of the Phantom versus the US dollar, and you may notice that we have price inefficiency. Okay, it's unfilled and needs to be dealt with, which I think is quite nice. So what's going to happen? Well, obviously, if the market should work the way it needs to work, we should be returning to the origin of this move here. Okay, we can't see the details on this chart, so let's have a look at the weekly and then the daily and maybe dip down into the 4 hour. So here we can see beautiful continuation pattern. Here we have a super clear area of demand right here. Here's the buy zone established, went a little bit deeper, Okay, we had some daily demand. First of all here, tests, lots of tests on this area just here. Price had to go, failed, had to go, failed, had to go, failed, had to go, failed, and we finally moved through and we left from this area here. The slingshot was pulled back, so this would be a grand place to get out of position should price come back up to this area here. But again, there's no clarity on this chart, so we have to go to the daily chart to really get down to the nitty-gritty. And here we can see super clearly now what is going on. So looking here, let's get rid of that price. And so there's a lot of trading here. When you see stuff like this, oops, price going up and down like that, I mean, price likes to come below those price points. And if we look here, see where price currently is, we're currently down here. So let's mark off the low. Wrong thing. So where are we? Okay, so we just visited the lows here. So we do have, I mean, a pretty nice breakaway just here at around the, what is that, the 60 cents price point here. We have parent child just above it. Price will likely come down to the 79.5 cents. This is a slingshot. This is the beginning of the buy zone. As we could see back here, okay, slingshot was pulled back and then we departed. And if we look at the areas that price removed, we have this just here. Okay, tested, now removed by, essentially by this one here. So we could just box off this whole area here, but we actually have to go like that. So if we box off the area, it's this one here, this area. So this is where, sorry, this is where it went from. Okay, we had a really nice cut through this area, and so the origin of the price point price had to come to was, I mean, the low of here. So price came back down to, and looking at this is not a terribly interesting area. So we go to the low, I mean, we went there, and this is where we turned around from. Okay, again, tested, slingshot, remove, buy zone here. We went a little bit deeper, pretty much to the bottom of this area here, which is, as we've said many times before, a lot of trading, so go below. We went pretty close to that, and this is where we managed to find some people who are keen to buy. And so currently now we have price drifting lower, seeking liquidity. There's also some protocol updates on the Phantom network, so that could add to some bullish interest in this instrument, but I am still keen on waiting for price to move lower. So, I mean, in here it's not a lot of clarity just there, so let's have a look on the 4 hour. I really want to see some clarity on these price points, otherwise we're guessing. Keep moving here. Okay, here it is. So, I mean, this is what we're looking at just here, and on this time frame you can see we have that whole thing, boom, 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 boom. Okay, so a lot of trading here, so focus below is right there, 70 cents, boom. 70 cents is a clear area to buy. Okay, below that we've got a little area here, tested once, tested twice, removed by this, so that bring our attention to the 50 cents area. Actually, that's pretty clear. A bit difficult to see on this time frame, but if we take this and we whack it down there like that, right there, that's interesting, because this is where that huge push higher came, and we have a lovely price inefficiency. Price has not been back there, so all eyes on the 50 cents area as price figures out what it's going to do. A lovely shorting opportunity right here. Okay, we had this area here, tested once, consumed by this. So if price manages to come up here, which it will, we need to rebalance this, and I think we'll see some shorts enter the market. Okay, 5 minutes too long. Have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.